In this video, I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension to your Google Chrome. So first type in IDM integration module and then click on the first link, and then over here in this page click on this link they give you. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Click on add to Chrome and then add extension. And now what you want to do is just go to your extensions list, click on the three dots next to IDM integration module, and then click on manage extension. Make sure it's turned on, and also make sure this is on all sites. And you can also optional allow incognito and allow access to file URLs. And if you want to pin to toolbar, you can do that as well right here. And that's about it. Now you can use IDM in your browser. Whenever you want to download something, IDM will pop up a download dialog for you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.